Yeah, I don't know. I really have no idea. It just did that. It didn't do that, but you know what I mean. It just ended. And now we're back. See that? We're back. As quickly as I could make it happen. But what I was telling whoever asked. Holy shit nuts. Whoo-wee. What I was telling, hey everybody, what I was telling whoever asked, feathers or scales, like, you gotta go feathers, man. All day. What's up, Mike? All day. Why would you pick scales over feathers? Who's gonna be like, I gotta get me some of those scales? Other scaly people. I'll tell you that. Others, hey, what's going on from Jersey? Denise? There's no head behind me. I actually looked when we got cut off. I looked around once, just to make sure. I will tell you, it got much colder, though. I mean, noticeably colder. Quiznos. Is this a better shot? What's up, Ricky? Hey, Amanda. Yeah, scales, I'm saying. Feathers for sure, right? Scale bags, holy shit. Mermaids have scales. Yeah. It wasn't how I interpreted the question. Did I talk about Encino Man? I did not. Did you want me to? What's up, Syracuse? Hey, Patty. What's up, Nora? Did it froze? No. It crashed. It just stopped working. Yeah, it just stopped working. And then by the time I turned it back on, it feels like a different day. Oh, I look like a ghost? Jew. Get it? Because I'm I probably don't need to explain that one. That was pretty right on the nose. Many plans on come to Chicago. I was kinda just there. So probably another year. Hey, Des. Mermaids lure men to their death. Yeah, I don't like that. How would giraffes wear pants? I don't know. I don't. Rick. Hello. Oh, thank you, McCullough. Yeah, got dark quick, right? Dude at the gym. Oh, Encino Man. That was... Yeah, the gym was in Encino. My eyes are dark now. Yeah, it's a little shaded here, see? It got a little... Do you want me to get turn on the light? Is that what you're asking? You want me to turn on the light? I'll turn on the light. Am I coming to Northern California? I don't think anytime soon. Hold on one second. Hey. Oh, thanks. I was just about to ask you to turn on the light.
What are you doing?
Just talking to these people. Oh, I don't have a tripod. I just set up the camera.
Tripod and paper?
Yes. It's my tri-paper.
Lovely.
Thanks, babe. She turned on the light for me. See you, baby. Love you. Hey, babe. Pop something in the oven.
Did you tell them you made me 20?
I will. But pop something in. Let's see what we got.
What do you want?
I don't know. Surprise me.
Oh, you always can, but you don't eat any food.
Surprise me with some mac and cheese. That mac and cheese. That mac and cheese.
Okay.
How funny would that be if I just get a broke down? She's inside drinking. Oh, that would be amazing. Amazing. You guys come get me. I hate it when she gets like this. Whew. If this is the place I decided just to let it all out. Crazy. Pop something in the oven. That's a man's job. Well, I'm outside, man. She's the best, yeah. Mac and cheese takes... Well, I think, yeah, maybe it does take a little bit of time. Huh. Thanks, Diana. I'm not crazy. Or am I? I'm just saying, let it ride. Oh, you think I should cry, Kelly? That would be a good one if I just started weeping. I don't know. I'll come back. Hey, guys, any city you are asking about, that would be hilarious if I ordered Chinese food. Hey, Jamie, any city you're asking about, if they book me, I'll come. You know what I mean? And if I come to your city, it's usually like a year or a year and a half from whenever I was there to whenever I come back. What's up from Oregon? How are you? I would love to come to Tulsa. Just ask them. If you haven't, just call the club or email the club or tweet the club or Instagram them or do the Facebook. Whatever you want to do. Oh, mac and cheese is going to be so good. Come on. She doesn't smoke weed? I love to come back to Oregon. I would love to. Exactly. I mean, I'll bring them I'm going to go inside and eat with Beth. I'm not going to sit and eat out here with you guys. I'm going to have her make me some food and then just eat it out here with you. Whoa. I think them's fighting words. That seems like something I don't think I'm going to do. I think you're giving me bad advice, man. Lake Tahoe, hi, Tammy. What's up, Ricky? How are you, man? You have dank stuff where? Maine, what's going on, Jeremy? Yeah, I love Pittsburgh. I was there. Maybe I was there at the beginning of the winter? I know it was cold. But for me, that's like 9 months out of the year, so. But yeah, I do. I always come to that Pittsburgh Improv. Oh, Oregon, yeah, you guys have some good weed up there for sure. What's my favorite comedy club to perform at? Oh, I don't know. There's so many good ones. Not all I can think of is mac and cheese right now. No, Freddie's not going to do one of these. Yeah, Michael, I do Sacramento and San Francisco twice a year, you know? What's up? Yeah, another High Life. Because I'm home for 2 weeks, so when I'm home for a full week, I do 2. But if I'm only home for half a week, I only do 1. And I'm home for 2 weeks. So I'm doing, I did one Monday, I'm doing one tonight, doing another one next Monday, and another one next Thursday night. Because your boy's no quitter, you know what I mean? What happened to the Patreon influence? I'm going to try to remember to put that up tomorrow. You got it, man. Ryan. Mac and cheese is, it's pretty close. I'm going to tell you something right now. The reason I keep looking up is because this could really end at any time. And I saw a shadow. I was like, ding! You guys would just see 2 feet go. If she cracked open the door and just like a smoke came out, I would turn on you guys so quick. Oh, just like this, she just or if she made bacon with the mac and cheese, and she opened the door and there was bacon in there. Oh, bye. Right? I mean, you would too, right? Right. Two skinny ankles are running. Exactly, Amanda. Two skinny ankles are running. Yeah, I would perform anywhere, Kathy. Marty, what's up, man? Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do, Jason. Bacon. I'm saying. Bing, bing. Would be it. John, tell them to book me in Clearwater, Florida, and I will be there. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, Sharon. Out. Did you have mac and cheese for dinner? No, but I think she's making me some right now. And pretty excited about it. Yeah, you can be very expressive with your mac and cheese if you need to be, you know what I mean? You're working out there? Not much? Yeah, Marty, go get some bacon, man. Don't be hard on yourself. Somebody just asked me something about Beth. Oh, how proud am I about Beth about her movie? Incredibly proud. It was amazing. Dennis, I don't even know what that means. And I'm reading it in real time, guys. This time, I'm reading it in real time, and I still don't know what it means. So, I want to go right past it. I'm really sorry. Could you make it shorter and more so I could really understand it? You know what I mean? Thank you. Don't forget to text your brother about the cereal. Oh, Sarah. Tip of the hat to you. Well, good callback. See me keeping up, Jason? I'm trying not to... Would I do Celebrity Big Brother? No. Not my thing. I don't want the 24-hour camera. I'm not interested in that at all. That's just for me. I know some people who are like, I think I can handle that. Not this guy. Yeah, I'm kind of high, Nicole. She does need a better publicist, yeah. Small words, pretty. That's what I'm saying, Kelly. It was just it was a lot of stuff. All of it. And I was like, I don't have any of it. I don't know what the cereal is. Were you here earlier? I don't really know what it is. So, Ross was awesome. He was the best. I watched it. No, I couldn't do it. No high lives in Big Brother. And I would love to come to Columbus. You just gotta ask the club. Ask the club and they'll have me there. The darker it gets, the more that comes out. What comes out? Huh? Oh, I can't believe the mac and cheese isn't here yet. Hey, Kathy. Phoenix, I love the club in Phoenix. Love that club. I think I was just there in, I want to say September. So it's got to be at least till 2019, I think. I would think. Maybe Tempe before then. I wanted Ross to win too. Some people seemed a little bitter with the way he played, so But he played the best game, for sure. What's going on, Will, from Connecticut? What do I think of Roy Wood Jr.? I like Roy Wood Jr. a lot. Why did you stop smoking? Oh, that's a really good question. I haven't smoked since we started the new one. Would you go to space if you could? I'm on my way right now, Samantha. Oh, you're back, Anthony. How you doing, dude? Are you gonna be in any movies soon? None that I know of. Yeah, my mind is on Mac. You know what I mean? Roy's a really good dude, yeah. My last video messed up and you never shouted me out. Anthony, yeah, I did. This is it's a true hybrid because it's like the little bits of everything that I had bought over the month and rolled into 2 pretty big joints, and it plus the edible has got me feeling good. All right, but I am gonna go in. I'm gonna hang out with Beth. These high lives have been so good for me, guys. I told you all about why. It's good stuff. So thank you for coming back and watching these. Me being fucking dumb as shit. But, whatever. For a half an hour or whatever, we fuck around. Talk about stupid shit. And forget about whatever the fuck else is happening. Why wouldn't you be in on that for a half an hour on a Monday night? Who doesn't need a little bit of that? So here we are. And I will say, oh, it's Thursday. Yeah. What a way to end it. That is fantastic. Well, I will, I'll end it on that. Yeah, it's Thursday, I got it, yeah. But you know what I mean. Usually on a Monday. But tonight it's Thursday. Oh, that was so perfect. Which is exactly what this fucking stupid little thing we do is. It's like, sometimes it's serious, and sometimes it's so dumb. That's me. Sometimes I'm serious, and sometimes I am so dumb. That's what we're doing. You know? Good night, everybody. We'll see you next time.